Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I felt like I should do a what I eat in a day. Anytime I post a vlog, you guys comment on how you would love to see more recipe ideas, more foods to try, and so I figured this would be a great time to incorporate some new food ideas on my channel. I am someone that doesn't like to eat the same every day. I really like variety, and although I do have a restricted diet in the sense that I don't eat meat and I've cut back eggs, that doesn't mean I deprive myself. I still really like food that's filled with flavor and nutrients, and I'm gonna show you a few of my go-to recipes. If you guys have watched my self-employed morning routine, which that's kind of what today is like, I don't really have any specific tasks that need to be done. Today's kind of my off day. I worked really hard these last couple days, so today's kind of more like a free-for-all, as in I get to choose what tasks I want to accomplish. Of course, I always work from my computer when I'm at home. I'm always doing something. I'm always doing social media or marketing related tasks, but I don't have to necessarily leave the house for work. I like to start every morning off with some lemon water. If you guys, like I mentioned, watched that video, which I will have linked above, you guys know lemon water is really important into my morning routine. I make sure I have 1 cup of hot water with freshly squeezed lemon in it before I allow myself to move on with my breakfast. Someone gave me a tip that you should swish around some regular water after you drink your lemon water because of the acidity of the lemon. It could take off the enamel. So I like nice teeth. Cue the swishing. We have a lot going on right here. As you can tell, I made my oatmeal, well maybe you can't tell, but a little bit watery, and that's because I'm gonna add a scoop of the Vega protein into my oatmeal. Now, if I don't have a workout shake, that's how I like to incorporate protein, is just into my oatmeal. It kind of gives it that chocolatey taste. And I find with all of my variety of toppings, it's not too harsh. I did make myself a cup of coffee, and I'm going to put in the Ripple plant-based milk. I like this because it has 8 grams of protein, and this is the original. As you can tell, I have now started to write the date on the bottle because this only lasts 7 to 10 days. So I like to keep note of what my date range is. It may not be fall yet, but I honestly am the queen of fall. Like, I love fall. Even though I live in South Florida, it's my favorite time of year. So I am going to incorporate some of those vibes into my coffee. I'm just gonna add in some pumpkin pie spice to flavor my coffee. I don't add sugar or stevia or honey or anything into my coffee. I just like adding my creamer. For a second, I thought this said ground cumin, and I was gonna freak if I had poured that in there. This is just ground cinnamon, so I'm gonna pour that in there as well. And then I'm just gonna stir, and all I have is a knife, but that'll have to do. Cheers. Oatmeal already is a high protein breakfast, but by adding in that protein powder, especially the one by Vega, it's 20 grams of protein. So when all is said and done with this breakfast, I'm looking at about, I'd say 35 grams of protein in just oatmeal, which I know oatmeal, you know, is kind of rather boring, but I've found what I like, and that's just by highly topping it. I don't find oatmeal boring anymore. I like adding some seeds and some almond butter and some fruit, and it just kind of gives me what I'm looking for in the morning. This looks disturbing, but I did add a little bit more milk just so the consistency is a little bit better. And like I said, you just need to give it a try. Like, maybe it'll grow on you, but I find that it's actually pretty good. So next thing I'm gonna do is top it with my seeds. I like adding hemp seeds. Again, just added protein, and I do like the texture, consistency of the oatmeal with it in there. I will add some chia seeds as well. For fruit, I am adding strawberries and bananas, so those will go in there. And then I am gonna add a handful of blueberries that I'm about to wash. So now that those are rinsed, add that to the mix. A little bit of almond butter because YOLO, why the F not? And then I top with some coconut flakes for some added fat. And then I do like to add a little bit of agave to this beautiful mixture. I said I was going to try and be better about taking my vitamins, but I have dropped the ball on that. So we are going to start this up again. As you guys know, my diet definitely limits me, so I'm not getting all the nutrients I need. So I'm gonna start taking this Naturello. This is a whole food multivitamin. They are vegetarian capsules and they're also vegan as well, so that's pretty cool. No soy, no GMOs, and no gluten. So you're supposed to take 4 of these a day, but I take 2 in the morning, as well as 3 organic spirulina tablets. Now, spirulina, it has protein in it. It's also high in vitamin B1, B2, and 3, and it's good for energy, and it also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So these are my current supplements that I'm going to start taking. I'm heading off to the gym, so I wanted to show you my workout outfit of the day. This set is from Elia, and they make curated collections that are delivered to your door. This is the Power Surge set. So I like a company like this because it's sometimes hard to find sets that kind of go well together. So I'm really happy with this top. I find that this is so flattering. I am gonna wear their t-shirt on top of it. I'm not really the person that wears just a sports bra to the gym, but this is so cute. And that's what the back looks like, just a double strap. The print is sort of like army patterned, a little bit camo. There's a light pink, forest green, and black, and then the sides have these mesh detailing. This is what the workout outfit looks with the top, and look at that back. I love the cutout detailing. I think this is adorable. So I'm heading off to the gym. I'm going to train arms and definitely some abs. I told you my abs are slacking, so we're working on that. Today's gonna be the day. It's time to do some work, but I made myself a salad after the gym. As you guys saw, I made like a tahini dressing with coconut aminos and lemon as well, and then I massaged it, and I also baked some chickpeas to put on there. I have half an avocado, some sauerkraut for probiotics, and Dr. Prager's veggie burger. That is my favorite veggie burger ever. And then I do have some tomatoes. Beverages, we are gonna have probably half of this Suja kombucha. This is the peach ginger. I've never tried this flavor yet, and then I have some water as well. So I am actually gonna edit this video and enjoy my salad. I'm still doing some work on the computer, but now I'm doing it from my bed, and I'm having yogurt as a snack. This is the Forager vanilla yogurt. It is amazing. It's cashew yogurt. I featured it in my last vlog. That'll be listed above if you want to check that out. Hemp seeds, chia seeds, Purely Elizabeth granola, bananas, blueberries, strawberries. Oh, and haha, yes, those are chocolate chips. Now it's dinner time, so I am about to have a tofu stir fry. I put some tofu, mushrooms, onions, and peppers in a pan. I sauteed it, and then I put it on a tortilla. Added some toppings such as spinach, some vegan cheese, and black beans and rice, and I'm gonna have tacos, or more so like a burrito. Like, what am I saying? That's a very large taco if it was. I had 2 of those, and that's kind of what my dinner was for the night. I usually do end my night with a cup of tea. So I'm having some ginger tea to help with digestion. I hope you guys found this video helpful. The amount of meals I consume, as well as the depth and kind of bulk of my meals, kind of depends on what my day is like. If I'm hungry, I'll eat more. If I find that I'm craving something such as fruit, I eat fruit. I eat very much so intuitively and just listen to my body and what it kind of tells me that it's needing or lacking. I find that by eating 3 larger meals and a snack in between breakfast and lunch and dinner is what keeps me full and thriving for the day. Please let me know you liked watching this video by liking it. And also don't forget to subscribe, because I do post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Let me know what some of your go-to meals are, because I'm always wanting to try new recipes. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.